Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Suthar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Power BI. Today in this tutorial we will see donut chart in the Power BI. Let's move to the screen. First we are required to open the Power BI desktop application. So we are going to hit the Windows button, type the Power BI desktop. The application will appear on the top of the list. Just click on the Power BI desktop application and it will open. Once the application open, we will see this pop-up window. From the pop-up window, I will use the recently created file instead of creating the new one. Here is the canvas where I will create the donut chart and explain it. So first, here I have included the title. This is the donut chart, and in the blank area, I will click on that. Go to the visuals, build visuals, and pick the donut chart. It is here. Just click on that. Once I click on the donut chart, the blank donut chart appear on the screen. I will just arrange the screen to make it properly visible. So here is my blank donut chart now, and under the build visual we can see the which are the field we are going to provide the data. One is a legend, one is a values and details, which is which is same as the pie chart, but in the donut chart we will see that there is a blank area between the in the center. So in the legend, in this chart, in this tutorial, I will use the supermarket sale data. So I will expand it. In the legend, I will provide the product lines, same as the pie chart in the previous tutorial. Now it is a blank, we cannot see because we haven't added any value. So I will add the gross income in the values field. And here is my uh, basic donut chart is ready. Now it's a part of the formatting. So go to the formatter visual. In the legend part, we have included the legend and it's available on the right center. This time I will not change the position, just keep it there. If you want to change the position, you go to the legend and option. For the text formatting, go to the text part, and the title, if you want to change the title, you can change it here. So I will just keep it default. I will not change it. Slices. In the slices, we can see the color of each category. If you want to change the color of any category, you can just click on the uh, drop down icon, drop down arrow. You can click on the drop down arrow and pick the color that you wanted to keep. Spacing. Now currently inner space, that is the blank area, that space we are able to increase or decrease by going to the spacing. So currently the 60%. When I'm going to make it 0%, and it is, we can see it's a completely same as the pie chart. But of course we are going to prepare the donut chart, so we are going to increase it and make it proper for the donut chart. And this is our donut chart is ready. What else? Detail label. So detail label currently available outside, which is presenting the which is presenting the value of particular category and the percentage of that category in comparison to the total. So now label content, where we are able to change what we want to present into label, currently available data value and percentage of total. I will include all the detail instead of the only the specific color. So when I include all the detail, I can see the category name, category value and percentage of the total. So this is my donut chart is ready. Now my category name available here already, so I don't need to keep the legend here. So I will just remove the legend from the chart, and it is better. Now more formatting, what else we can do? This is the rotating, sorry, values part. In the values part, we are able to do the formatting for the data label. So what we will do, we will do it to bold. Display unit is auto is fine with me at this time. Decimal, that's also fine with me at this time. So that's all we can perform in the value section. Rotation, it is the same, currently is 0%. When we are going to rotate some level, our circle is going to rotate clockwise, and we can see when I do is a 180%, our food and beverage move from top right to bottom left. So rotate, you can rotate your donut according to the requirement wherever you want to present a category. Those all option we can change for the data level configuration. Now I will go to the general. and do some formatting for the chart area configuration. So title, I will change the title to the not sum of gross income. I will keep it to the gross income by product line. I will bring my title to the center. Subtitle I will not include. I will include a divider to keep separate title area and chart area. Spacing, I'm fine with the spacing. I will not change it. This all we can do in the title. Effects, so I will include the background is you can pick any color. Visual border, I will include the visual border and I will make it rounded corner. I will include the shadow, and shadow is defaultly available is the outside bottom right. You can change the position from the available options. You can bring it inside and you can change the position wherever you want to keep the shadow. So I will keep it default. It is pretty fine with me. And here is my donut chart is ready. So donut chart is, it is representing the same thing. It is providing the value of the each category and the percentage of the total, and which is similarly to the pie chart, but in comparison to the pie chart, donut chart is presenting the blank area in the center. What else we can do with the donut chart? So click on the donut chart and the details. Fill anything in the detail. Let's say is a payment this time, so I will drag and drop payment into the details and see. So my each category now divided into the three subcategory. So first, like orange is presenting the electronics, and electronics there are three more subcategory. One is a cash, one is a credit, and one is a blank. That mean e-wallet payment. Here we cannot see. Let me expand it and we can see. Okay, so there are three subcategories in the payment: cash, credit card, and e-wallet. So we want to expand our category into subcategory. We are going to include any other category in the details, and it will be just split it out. That's all. Our donut chart is ready with the details as well. So I hope you like the today's video. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.